If you're over 40 and you're completely overwhelmed and you feel stuck, I completely understand. I was there. I was working 50, 60 hours a week, hitting the ceiling at my job, never could get any further than where I wanted. I wanted more, but that just took more of me selling my time for money, and I was running out of time. So I didn't have time for my family already. I didn't have time with my kids. So where the heck was I going to find more time to make more money? I just knew I couldn't keep running like that. It just doesn't make sense anymore. You need multiple streams of income to make your life better. If you want to have a bank account that you're not afraid to open, then you need multiple streams of income. I quickly found that out. Sorry, I'm just working on my t-shirts for my business, which we can talk about in a minute if you'd like. But I do work a 9 to 5. I actually own it, though. That was my step up from the 9 to 5 life. Was thinking if my time was spent building a business, then that would make more sense. So that's what I did. I quit my 9 to 5. I was a chef. I went back to my roots. I grew up in the building industry. So I went back there and started my own company, which right here, and and that's just how I felt I could make more money. It was my time I was putting into the business. I was getting the profits back coming directly to me. So it made sense. But I also did realize that it's a heck of a lot of work and it's a lot of stress to run your own company and get everything done. I am the bookkeeper, the dishwasher, if you will. You know, I do like the maintenance guy, the marketing guy, the everything. I do it all. So I was quickly running out of ideas and started doing some research. And I came across this business that was basically a business in a box. And it was digital marketing, digital products, and teaching you how to make your own, how to sell it, how to promote it, how to market it, content creation, and stuff like that. And I was just thinking, like, look, my business is this big, right? Radius. I get to sell it about 50 miles. If I go outside 50 miles, then I'm really not making any money. So losing money by travel or paying like too much windshield time and stuff like that. So as I was researching, I met a friend. Her name was Wendy, and we got talking quite a bit. I met her through the research of doing digital products. I read an article in Forbes where 2027 it's going to be $1 trillion industry. So I was like, hey, I'm going to jump on board. So I did some research on where I wanted to start, and Wendy turned me on to this business in a box. And she sent me to the blueprint, and I checked it out and knew that was for me because it's 100% yours. If you're building your own business, you get 100% of the profit. It's not an MLM. It doesn't have to be affiliate marketing, but you can loop affiliate marketing in to your digital product content. So it makes you even more money, another stream of income. So it wasn't techie. It wasn't overwhelming. It was very straightforward. They have classrooms where they teach you how to do absolutely everything. You can get involved with the school group, and 59,000 people in there that'll help you anytime. Very friendly. Met a lot of people around the world, and it's been great. So that's also a great thing. So then that wasn't techie. I already mentioned. Very easy to set up, and you had a business running in less than 4 hours. If you put your mind to it, I'd say give it a day, get everything set up, put your name on the business, and blah, 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 set up your website. But there's no monthly fees, no dues. It's all yours, 100%. You can do with it what you want. You can buy this business and put it in the corner somewhere of your desktop and never touch it. That's totally up to you. You never have to pay another dime. So, but if you want to take it to the next level, it has everything to get you there. So, I highly recommend it, obviously, but I'm a little biased. But I'm working it now. I put about 3 or 4 hours a day into it. You don't have to, but I'm trying to build this fast. It already supplements my it saved me from having to get a loan for my service-based business. So instead of getting a loan, I just use the money I'm making off of this digital business to supplement my income here and to keep me growing. Because I don't plan on getting rid of my company. This is just something extra that, number one, helped me so I didn't have to get a loan, and it, helps me put groceries on the table, and I can put more time and effort into my company without taking so much money out of it. So it really works out well. But there's so much more to talk about, but it's really hard to do it all here. So please feel free. There's a ton of information down in my description or down in the bio. Just my website's down there. Everything you do, everything you get is free. There's no obligation. You can just click on it and read about the company and see what it does. But remember, it's full training sessions. It has every source of training you could possibly, AI training, Zoom calls, meetings you can go to webinars, there's just so much stuff. But just check out the blueprint, and it'll give you all that information. But I encourage you, because you don't want to be stuck anymore. So go check it out, because you deserve more than you're getting right now.